I have guided like more than 20,000 individuals till date now regarding Reiki healing, tarot readings, and what are chakra healings and crystals. So I've been guiding people to heal themselves and also to become independent in life. So before we come down to what is actually reading, and yeah, a lot of you know that today you're going to get 3 gifts from my side, right? 3 expensive gifts are going to be given to all the participants who are there with me. And there are going to be any 3 lucky participants who will get their free tarot readings done with me today. I'm going to tell you all the 3 gifts by the end of the session. Before that, let's begin with a bit about basics of tarot that we should know before we get our readings done. So you people can communicate with me through the chat box. When you hear the word card reading, what comes in your head? Write it to me in the chat box. Tarot card reading or card reading, then what are the things coming in your head? Future, okay. Ma'am, about my life, yes. और क्या पता चलता है जब आप टैरो वर्ड सुनते हो? मैम, लाइफ कैसी होगी, करियर कैसा होगा? Yes, you get to know this. We can do some predictions, very right. Okay, I'm going to talk in a mixture of both English and Hindi so that if anybody who is not comfortable with the second language can understand. Knowing about myself, बिल्कुल आपके past, present और future के बारे में भी हमें टैरो से पता चलता है. Good, I like your responses. So usually when I interact with people, तो उनके मेरे पास usually ये answers आते हैं कि मैम टैरो का मतलब होता है कुछ जादू या फिर कुछ मिस्ट्री. टैरो का मतलब होता है एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू फ्यूचर. ऑल्सो मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे सॉल्व होंगी, हाउ टू ओवरकम इश्यूज इन माय लाइफ, ये सब हमें कार्ड रीडिंग से पता चलता है. एंड टुडे इन द सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू रिजॉल्व आर सम मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू टैरो. ऐसी कुछ बातें आपको हो सकती हैं पता हो जो कि सच हैं टैरो के बारे में, और कुछ ऐसी हो सकती हैं जो आपको झूठ पता हो. तो आज हम अपने उन डाउट्स को क्लियर करेंगे और फिर हम टैरो रीडिंग करेंगे. ओके, तो सबसे पहले किसी भी चीज को समझने के लिए उसका हिस्ट्री यानी कि उसका ओरिजिन पता होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड अ बिट अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ टैरो. टैरो रीडिंग जो है वो हमारी लाइफ का कोई नया हिस्सा नहीं है. टैरो रीडिंग इज बीइंग यूज्ड बाय द लेट 18th centuries. So initially tarot एक गेम की तरह खेला जाता था, wherein people used to play torche in the French tarot by the name of tarot. They used to play it as games. But by the 18th century, a lot of people began to understand that tarot is not only a game. It has a big significance in our life. There are the cards which have some meanings in it, and those meanings are revealing my future. So with that, by the 18th century, tarot came to be known as a future predictor thing. And by 1900, we had the invention of Rider-Waite deck. Rider-Waite deck, जिसको टैरो के बारे में पता है, सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन डेक है जो टैरो रीडिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता है. Now, let's come down to some myths and facts about tarot. बहुत लोगों को कुछ गलत फहमियां होती हैं टैरो के बारे में, जो हम सबसे पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. Number 1, a lot of people feel that cards have something evil in it. उन्हें लगता है कि कार्ड्स में कुछ गलत है, कोई नेगेटिव एनर्जी या ब्लैक मैजिक है जो मेरे साथ कुछ गलत कर देगा. Anybody has this fear in the head about tarot? Write a yes to me in the chat box. कि टैरो का नाम सुनते ही यू गेट अ बिट फियरफुल दैट नहीं, इससे थोड़ा सा दूर रहो. यस मैम, नो मैम, नो नो, यस. Okay, some mixed responses are coming. After today's session, I'm very sure that you will not be afraid of tarot anyhow. So Tarot has nothing to do with black magic or negative energies, first of all, because tarot is nothing else but just a set of cards. So, for example, I have these cards in my hand. They are not having any energy. Okay, these are some cards that you can just shuffle up and you can try to reveal your future with it. So, these are just the cards, it doesn't have any energy in it. The energy lies in your thoughts and in your intentions. तो जो लोग इस कार्ड की रीडिंग किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए करते हैं वो पॉजिटिवली यूज कर रहे हैं, और जो इन कार्ड्स को किसी के साथ कुछ गलत करने के लिए यूज करते हैं वो नेगेटिव एनर्जी यूज कर रहे हैं। हालांकि टैरो में कुछ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नहीं होता, टैरो जस्ट रिवील्स व्हाट इज लाइंग इन योर फ्यूचर। So this is going to predict your future. Now that future can bring something good to you and maybe something not good to you. इसलिए टैरो इविल नहीं होता, टैरो में कोई गलत एनर्जी नहीं होती है. It's your intention with which you are getting the reading done. Also, some people feel that tarot can be used to cast some spells. This is not right. I am doing tarot from such a long time in my life, and I have never casted any spells with tarot because tarot में casting spell नहीं है. Spell casting black magic का part होता है और जो गलत तरीके से किया जाता है, जैसे कि मुझे मेरा एक्स वापस मिल जाए, वो उसे छोड़ के अपनी वाइफ को छोड़ के वो मेरे पास आ जाए, ये जॉब जिस इंसान की है उसकी ना होके मुझे मिल जाए. दिस इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज नेगेटिव. ये नेगेटिव एनर्जी है, ये गलत चीज है जो हम कर रहे हैं. And all of this is a part of black magic and casting spells. Tarot में कुछ भी evil या negative energy जैसा नहीं होता है. Also, a lot of people feel that cards can never be wrong or they work by luck. Now that is not the fact. As I told you, these are just some cards and nothing else. It is a bundle of 78 cards. That's all. वो कितना सही फ्यूचर बता रहा है और कितना गलत, that depends upon the intention of the reader and of the person who's getting the reading done. तो अगर आप झूठ बोल के रीडिंग करवा रहे हो just to test the reading, so for example you just want to play with the cards and as a challenge you come up that okay ma'am tell me when will I get married and you're already married. अब ऐसे केस में टैरो आपको सही आंसर नहीं देगा because you are lying. आपकी इंटेंशन गलत है रीडिंग करवाने की. तो कार्ड्स गलत तब हो सकते हैं जब आप कुछ झूठ बोल रहे हो when your intention is not right to get the reading done. Now, I'm very sure that you people who are there with me in the session today, you definitely be having some or the other issues in your life that you want to resolve today. Right? That's why you're there with me in this session. Or maybe you want to learn tarot. That is also possible. So first of all, tell me through the chat box, which area of your life is a concern for you right now? Which is that problematic area of your life? Relationship, finances, job, money, what is it? Career, health, career, love life, okay. Right. So let me tell you, how can tarot help you to cure these issues of your life? When we get a tarot reading done, it helps to reveal that what is lying in these areas of my life. Love, career, money, health and finances, issue with job or business. So almost every area of your life is covered under these headings. अब टैरो हेल्प करता कैसे है? टैरो रिवील्स योर पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर. किसी भी चीज को लेकर अभी क्या हो रहा है और आगे क्या होगा, ये टैरो रिवील करता है. एंड हाउ डज दैट वर्क? वी हैव इन टोटल 78 कार्ड्स ऑफ टैरो एंड these 78 कार्ड्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 सेक्शंस. ये आपको थोड़ा टैरो कार्ड के बारे में पता होना जरूरी है. Those 2 sections are called as major arcana and minor arcana. मेजर आर्काना में आपके 22 कार्ड्स आते हैं और माइनर आर्काना में आपके 56 कार्ड्स आते हैं. All these cards in total make up your tarot deck, which is used to reveal what is lying in my future. मेजर आर्काना आपका ओवरऑल लाइफ, हेल्थ और इमोशंस के बारे में बताता है. माइनर आर्काना सब्जेक्टिव होता है, सो इट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर डेली लाइफ सिचुएशन एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस. इसीलिए कहते हैं कि टैरो रीडिंग यूजुअली आपको 6 to 7 months की वैलिडिटी बहुत इजीली देता है, बिकॉज अगर वो माइनर आर्काना हुआ तो जैसे ही सिचुएशन चेंज होगी ऑटोमेटिकली प्रेडिक्शन भी साथ चेंज होता है. तो कोई भी सिचुएशन 6 to 7 months की बहुत इजीली आपको वैलिडिटी टैरो से मिलती है. और इफ इट इज अ लॉन्गर रन क्वेश्चन वी कैन ट्राई फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. Now, how many of you are finding this topic of tarot something to be very interesting and pleasing? Write a yes to me in the chat box. And how many of you over here say that, ma'am, I want to be a tarot reader? Now, I come to you with my gift number 1 of the day. Those who feel कि मैम मुझे ये सीखना है कि इन 78 कार्ड्स का क्या मीनिंग होता है and how can I predict my and others future with these 78 cards. Let's talk about it first. That is your gift number 1 with me today. We are coming up with the tarot learning basic level. In this level, I'm going to teach you all of this. An introduction to tarot cards. What are the meanings of all these cards? हर कार्ड का एक मीनिंग होता है, वो पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. What are the meaning of these cards? How to predict future by using these cards? अब अगर 3 कार्ड्स आ गए तो उनको इंटरप्रेट करके उसकी एक स्टोरी कैसे फॉर्म करनी है, that you're going to learn with me. Also, various types of card spreads. 2 spread होता है, 3 spread होता है, 10 spread होता है. All of it will be taught to you that what are the various types of spreads, and you will learn how to predict future for yourself in this. Now, the dates for this basic level is from 15th to 17th of January. We are having evening time because आजकल सब work from home पे हैं usually या office जा रहे हैं, तो evening time सबको ज़्यादा comfortable है. We'll be beginning at 5 p.m. and we will end at 6:30. 15 to 17th, 3 days का आपका ये boot camp है with me. And the energy price which I'm quoting to others is 2499. But for the people who are there with me right now in the session, for you people, the price is down to 499. All of this you will get in live sessions with me like we're doing right now in just 499. And what all will you get more? आपको ई सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, रीडिंग मटेरियल मिलेगा, सारे सेशंस की रिकॉर्डिंग्स मिलेंगी. So whenever you want to go through it later, you can. Now, before we do the reading, I want to know how many of you wants to be a tarot reader with me on 15th to 17th of January. Those who are interested, now I have this offer for you for the next 10 minutes only. I am sending my Paytm and GPay details in the chat box. You can check it. You can do a Paytm or GPay on 9205171983. Or if anybody says ki ma'am I am you just try to do it, and once done, yes, it is a certified course for sure. You will get your certificate, you'll get the recording, and you will get the reading material. Once you are done with the payment, write done to me in the chat box, and then I'm going to verify it right away to you. Only for next 10 to 15 minutes, this is for 499. इसके बाद it will be back to the price of 2499. Paytm or GPay you can do to me. There are two levels. This is the basic level that we are going to cover. After this, it is the master level. If you want to go further in this profession, that is going to make you the master of this pen. This is the least price. I can assure you that you can get a good quality in the market for sure. I have only 3 seats left with me for this batch. Rest are already filled. So Paytm or GPay you can do. Details are there in the chat box. And I'm also going to share the page. So this is the registration page for tarot reading. You can see all of these things that I've just mentioned. We are going to cover it from 15th to 17th of January. It's going to be a live boot camp. This is the registration form, including all the details that I have mentioned. If anybody wants to go for a bank transfer, I am putting that also over here. You can do bank transfer also. Yes, so you have 5 more minutes to complete the payment for $499, and after that we will do our live readings. Yes, so any 3 people are going to be the readings with me, and any 3 lucky participants would be there as I promised you earlier. So we will go very much randomly. There's a list of participants in front of me right now. I'll go by the number of 369 क्योंकि वो manifestation का number होता है. अब 369 नंबर पे जिन जिनके नेम्स हैं उन 3 लोगों की मैं अभी आपके सामने लाइव रीडिंग करूंगी. Okay, so we have on number 3 Bhavna Jain. You have to instantly unmute yourself to show me your presence. Bhavna, are you there?
Yes.
Good. Please put on your video. We have Muthu Lakshmi. Unmute yourself. Muthu Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Are you there? Good. And on number 9, we have Sapna.
Wow.
So these 3 people are going to be the lucky participants to have the reading with me. Please unmute yourself and put on your videos. I go with live readings only if I'm able to see you. So which one of you is ready? And Baki abhi rukna, the third gift is still pending for you. Don't you forget that. After the reading, I'll tell you the third gift. Yes, so these 3, who's ready? Try to unmute yourself. जल्दी जल्दी इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा. Muthu Lakshmi, unmute. This is the last call for these people. Otherwise, I'm going to choose new people. Muthu Lakshmi, unmute.
Okay.
Yes. Who's there for this now? Muthu Lakshmi, right?
Yes.
Put on your video, please. Yes. Tell me, dear, how can I help you?
What are the questions I can ask?
Anything? There's one
Anything.
question that you can ask me related to any area of your life.
Finance,
Sure. What is our issue?
like job or business. What can I choose?
What can you choose? Muthu Lakshmi, can I have your date of birth in the chat box to me? Okay, I've got it. You want to know that job or business, what is better for you?
Yes.
Oh, all right, give me a moment. Muthu Lakshmi, 23rd November. We'll see that which card pops out for you, Muthu. Let me just check. It's going to be job. Job will give you more stability and financial upheaval in life.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Who's the next one?
Can I be more clear, specific, which area of which subject can I take? Na?
One question itself.
Okay.
Thank you. People, जल्दी second, third readers कौन है? वरना मैं किसी और को choose करूं. I'll count till 5. You have to unmute yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to take the next one now. On number 3, there is Gidwani Tamanna. Unmute yourself.
Hi, I'm here.
I like such responses. Kindly come on pin with me.
Sorry.
Yes, please put on your video.
Yeah, hi, I'm so sorry. I'm like, yeah. So my question is just, how my 2022 will be going on. So it's just that.
For sure. Give me a minute. Tell me your date of birth in the chat box, please.
Yeah.
And the third, then the next one is going to be 3, 6. We have Ishita. Ishita, are you there? Ishita, are you there? Chance lost. Next. Savita Ramaraja, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ajao. Okay,
Yeah.
put on your video. We'll go for Tamanna first of all. तमन्ना का 2022 चेक करते हैं. Tamanna, what's your full name?
Tamanna Gidwani.
All right. I will take out 3 guidances for you, Tamanna. This is your bottom deck energy. This is your first deck energy. And this is your middle deck energy. Give me a minute. तमन्ना, लव लाइफ में इश्यूज चल रहे हैं.
Yep.
कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, पार्टनर से पूरा नहीं कर रहा.
It's no contact.
छोड़ दो. 2022 में भी कांटेक्ट नहीं होगा.
Okay.
This person is not going to prove you anything well in the next year. And also, if you stay with them, they can create milestones for you in the other areas of your life also.
Okay.
Inverted love आया, not good for you. Secondly, तमन्ना, आप अपनी लाइफ का एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप लेने वाले हो 2022 में. Something really big you're going to do. It can be emotionally also, it can be professionally also, and that step will lead to wonders in your life. So my suggestion, जब भी कोई opportunity आती हुई दिखे, उसको छोड़ना मत. If you take that step, it will really make your 2022 and your life much more better. Thirdly, there is a male figure in life who is very much dominant on your thoughts. क्या कोई ऐसा है, कोई मेल फिगर जिसकी आप बात बहुत ज्यादा सुनते हो और
I
अपने thoughts
don't
में
know.
उनको रखते हो?
I have no idea. As of now, like only my parents probably.
Think about it. There is one male figure. He has a lot of influence on you and on your thoughts. And because of it, at times you are not able to do what you can. So please try to reduce the influence. Go by what you feel. Because if you're going to take steps as per your own intuition this year, that's going to be overall very fruitful for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Ms. Savita.
Yes, ma'am.
Your date of birth in the chat box, please.
Yeah, it is there already.
Yes, I can see that. Tell me, what's your issue?
My future, 2022.
Good. Savita Ramaraja is your full name?
Yes.
Give me a minute. 75. Energy 1, energy 2, energy 3. Sabita, how is your emotional life going? Are you married?
Yes, ma'am. I'm married.
How is your okay? How is your relationship with your partner?
Yeah, okay. Not so good, not so bad. I'm carrying the relationship.
So neutral, I can say. Not something really very nice and not something very bad.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Number one, in the first 3 months of 2022, Savita, you are going to have a setback in your relationship. Okay.
Okay.
You will be faced with two choices in your relationship, and make sure that you make your partner your priority in life. This is very, very important for you right now.
Okay.
तो सिचुएशन आएगी, कोई चैलेंज आ सकता है, मेक योर पार्टनर योर प्रायोरिटी.
Okay.
Number two, there is going to be very high chance. Are you an overthinker, Savita?
Sorry?
Do you think much?
No, no, no.
If do you think much? Like if we talk about, wait a second, who's on unmute? Wait. Yes. I'm asking Savita that do you think much? ज्यादा सोचते हो?
Don't know. कभी-कभी मैं भी सोचता हूँ.
कभी कभी 2022 में अपनी ओवर थिंकिंग को कंट्रोल करना. कुछ सिचुएशंस ऐसे आएंगे जब आपको बहुत ज्यादा सोचना होगा, और आप जितना सोचोगे उतना ही आप उस सिचुएशन को अपने लिए खराब कर दोगे. सो मेक श्योर कि आप ओवर थिंक नहीं कर रहे हो, चीजों को काफी लाइटली लो, तो आपका ओवरऑल 22 अच्छा जाएगा. और इमोशनल मैनेजमेंट पे ध्यान देना. ऐसा हो सकता है कि कभी आप एकदम से इमोशनली बहुत हाई हो जाओ और कभी बिल्कुल लो और डिप्रेस फील करो. Don't let this happen with yourself. And overall, your 2022 is going to be fine.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Thank you.
Most welcome. So we are done with the readings of the day now. 3 lucky participants have got their readings. And the final gift from my side to you people. Again, check your chat box. Now in the chat box, I am going to post 3 links. These 3 links are of various social media platforms. You can see that now. What you simply have to do, you have to follow all of them. We have only 2 minutes for this activity. You have to follow all the links, come back and write done to me in the chat box. जो सबसे पहले करेगा और तीनों लिंक्स फॉलो करे हुए होंगे, आई विल चेक इट, दैट पर्सन विल गेट अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम मी इन द एंड. ऐसे ही डन मत लिखो, पहले उसको फॉलो करो. आई एम गोइंग टू चेक इट बाय योर नेम लेटर. So you have 2 minutes now. Your time starts. Just follow all the 3 links, come back, write done to me. And you would surely get, the one who wins would get a gift from me. We'll get back to you. Okay, all right. I can see the notifications now. Done में तीनों स्टेप फॉलो करने बहुत जरूरी है. Don't just follow only one. Okay, good. I can see the dance. You have 1 minute left. Okay, good. Others, hurry up. बस उसको follow करना है link को and write done. Make sure you are there with me in the group. I'm writing the link so that I can trace the winner from the group and I can get back to you. Blissful Soul Healing Group. जो इसमें नहीं है, you can join up and then we can get back to the winner through the group. I'll put the name of the winner in the group and then you will come and contact me. 30 seconds, hurry up, jaldi se.